Goli Ashwagandha is one of my favorite things in my medicine cabinet. I use it all the time. It has the ashwagandha and it's a gummy and I love that. But I don't take it every day. I take it when I need to just kind of relax and unwind and my brain's going. A lot of times I'll take it at night before bed. We order this in like a 3-pack because I take it and my husband takes it. It has gluten-free, it's non-GMO, it's plant-based, vegan, tastes really good. That's what it looks like. Tastes so good. I recommend them to all my friends. Suggested that you take 2 gummies twice daily and chew thoroughly. The chew thoroughly is important. Check them out for yourself though, because yeah, these, like, now that I have them all the time, use them all the time, and they do help me, so I would recommend.